Hi there, and thanks for joining us. In the rail and mining industries, lifting multi-ton locomotives and mining machinery for maintenance demands precision, safety, and efficiency. Safety concerns, access issues, and long setup times can slow everything down. So what if we told you that with the right hydraulic lifting and moving solutions, these challenges can become much easier to manage? And you can do this using only one tool. The Enerpac Pow'R-Riser is powerful, compact, and portable, letting you take it wherever it's needed, fast. Wheel jacks like this combine high lifting capacity with durable construction, so you can solve lifting problems in the toughest environments. And it's not just about strength, it's about easy operation. Wheeled jacks like the Pow'R-Riser operate in 3 easy phases: advance, hold, and retract. All operated using simple push-button and lever controls. Need more height? No problem. Attach extensions to increase the lift height. And for added load-holding safety, use the locking U-rings for mechanical cribbing. And whether your job site has a pneumatic or electric power supply, you can choose a Pow'R-Riser in either option. So if you're a vehicle maintenance engineer in the rail or mining industry looking to step up your productivity, remember the Enerpac Pow'R-Riser is ready to revolutionize your projects. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.